Hello there, this is going to be a quick video showing how you can measure the exact spin speed of your washing machine. So for this you need a phone with a working flashlight and a strobe tachometer app. I'll put them up on screen now, one's for iPhone, the other's for Android. So once you've installed it, just open it and it should look something like this. Now first things first, just make sure it's set to RPM, which it is, that's all good. So what this app does is that it flashes the flashlight this many times per minute. And the goal here is to find the exact RPM value, which makes the drum look still, as if it's not rotating at all. I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so the machine is set to 600 RPM right now. It should be spinning at somewhere around that. So this is also set to 600. So I'm just gonna turn it on. As you can see, it's not perfectly still. So I'm just gonna slowly increase it. No, backwards. Okay, it's spinning at around 602, maybe 601 RPM, as you can see. Yeah, let's try it on a faster spin. Okay, so the machine is doing its fastest spin on service mode, and because this is a 1600 model, I also set this to 1600. So I'm just going to turn it on. And then slowly increase it. Okay, 1610 is what it's spinning at right now. Now, due to the nature of motor speed control, the drum is not perfectly still, but it is safe to say that the machine is spinning at pretty much exactly 1610. That's pretty cool. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. Thanks for watching.